responsibility in the discharge of various positions of the Students' Council. Investiture means a formal investing of a person with an authority, power, right and dignity. As it is rightly said that leaders are not born, they are made. Leaders are the role models who inspire the followers and motivate them to reach the target of success. Investiture ceremony is one of the most important ceremonies of the school. It is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and the abilities of our school. It is a traditional feature of every school and eagerly awaited by all the students of the school. Year after year, it reminds us for the trust and the confidence that we respond in newly elected cabinet. They are pledged to dispense their duties to the best of their abilities and abide by the rules and regulations of the school. School has been always inspired by the vision of its founder, and with a classical dance by Pujita and Satakirtika. Yes, who is workaholic, always minds of students, deserves to be the reputation of the institution. He is one and only the principal. May I request our principal Nagar sir to come on the stage. So let's give a big round of applause. To represent, and they are always for the people, saying we are there selflessly working for the people in times of corona or in times of ordinary. We have a very special guest in our midst today. She is none other than Srimati B. Ramya Shilpa Garu, the gynecologist of our government hospital. Yes, you are absolutely true. So, direct this Ravi sir to come out. Let's go. Give it up. Next, we are all enjoying the program. So beautifully designed, decorated, with the help of each and everyone. The man stands behind and takes care of everything, make sure that it happens. Now he is none other than our Evo Mohan sir. They are absolutely experienced, always friendly natured with the students, and he knows his way. Yes, he is beautiful.
Olympiad in charge, Gopal Reddy sir. Thank you. If you all keep silent. Good evening all. Our honorable guest, gynecologist Dr. Ramya Subba Madam, and our colleagues, my dear parents and students, welcome to Cabinet Registration Program. First of all, thank you Madam for accepting our invitation. We know you are a busy person. Shall I ask one question? Are you to give the answer? Come to the stage. My question. You give the answer. Come to the stage. Who is the important person in the Corona time? I am not asking that there. Come to here and tell them. Why they are in anyone? Anyone? Come. Radhika Reddy. So all of you please select 10 words about the
Doctor is save our life. Doctor is save our life.
All of you give us a big clap. So doctor is.
I would request the AD Rafi sir to address the students.
Honorable Principal sir, respected Ramya Subba Madam, my dear colleagues and my dear students. Good evening to all. I'm happy to see you here. You are very active. So why you are gathering here? So we are celebrating investing ceremony, cabinet investing ceremony here. So in the last week we conducted cabinet elections. In that cabinet elections, most of the students are participated as candidates. And a total from deputy head boy and deputy head girl. First of all, I will congratulate, hearty congratulations for who elected as their candidate as head boy and head girl and deputy head boy and head girl. So our school total school is discipline is depends upon our cabinet, that is school cabinet, deputy head boy, deputy head girl, head boy and head girl. So they are responsible for the total discipline of the school. So from our management given a chance to develop your leadership qualities from school level. So first of all, I would like to thankful to our management by giving this grateful opportunity to the students to develop the leadership qualities, good leaders from school days onwards. So I hope all the best who are elected, all the best for you, and you develop your leadership qualities, and on the behalf of all the students, you should develop our institution as well as develop your leadership qualities. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
స్టేజ్ మీద ఉన్నటువంటి మరి మా తోటి కొలీగ్స్కి అదేవిధంగా విద్యార్థులకు ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి కూడా శుభావందనాలు. ఒకసారి అందరు అటెన్షన్ ప్లీజ్, ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ సీట్ రైట్, సీట్ రైట్. లీడర్షిప్ మీదనే ఇంత పెద్ద ప్రోగ్రామ్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామంటే దాని యొక్క ఇంపార్టెన్స్ తెలుసుకోవడం కోసమే. ఆ గుడ్ లీడర్షిప్ లేకపోతే ఏం లాస్ అవుతాము అనే విషయాన్ని కూడా మీకు తెలియజేయడం కోసము ఇంత గ్రాండ్ గా సెలబ్రేట్ చేయాల్సి వస్తుంది.
Dignitaries and dayas and teachers and my dear students, good evening to everyone. So as you know very well, this ceremony is great for students. Regarding this, only one sentence I will tell you. Leadership is not a position, it is an action. Take the action to grow to the others. Again I am repeating, leadership is not a position, it is an action. Take action, develop yourself and make your surroundings like others also need to be grown. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good evening to all the dignitaries on the stage, especially Principal Sir and all the faculty of the Narayana School. I heartily welcome to all the children who have assembled here for this adventure, for gathering and taking a motivational speech. Today I am going to give a motivational stories also, a short story, so that leaving this hall, a take-home message should be there that each and every student is a leader when they are going out of this hall. So, first of all, I congratulate all the cabinet members who have elected last week as the leaders. As Principal Sir said, the leader itself should have a self-discipline. First of all, they should be having a disciplinary life. Then only they can lead others. Here, I thank my parents and indeed I am grateful to all my teachers who made me impart the knowledge to me and made me stand in front of you to give a speech like this. So children, don't forget two people in your life. One is our parents, the second is our teachers who made you to stand on your own feet and lead the life, a successful life in your future. So never ever forget your teachers and faculty of the schooling period. Without them, we are not here. They are sacrificing their own time also nowadays, extra time to impart the knowledge and to have an ethics, to give values to your valuable life, not only education, but apart from that, to lead the successful life, there are many commitments for the leaders to cultivate. The first thing is, coming to the Narayana School of Institutes, I am passionate from long time onwards. I am waiting for a chance to give a motivational speech, and Sir had selected me. I am very grateful, Sir. So, ఇప్పుడు నేను చూస్తుంటే నా చిన్నతనం గుర్తొస్తుంది. You know that I also went under this election committee and I have selected as a school people leader in my school also. In that canvassing, I faced a lot of, in that small childhood only, ఆ చిన్నతనంలోనే నా ఆపోజిట్ గా నిలిచిన వాళ్ళు అబ్బాయి అన్నారు, నేను అమ్మాయి. But all our friends have canvassed each and every class, and a similar way they have conducted, and I have selected as school people leader. So that now also I have gone through this. I have selected Narayana School because this is a different institute which make the students not only academically strong, but they can lead their life in all. They will become an all-rounders when they leave these schools and group of institutes. Because I am also one of the students of Narayana Medical College. I have studied my I have studied my post-graduation in Masters of Sciences in Obstetrics and Gynecology in Narayana Medical College, Nellore. I am thankful to Narayana sir also. He is one of the pioneers in the educational system. Actually, he had very commitments, sir. Narayana sir also there. Then, coming to the leadership qualities, already your principal sir and all the rest of the faculty have told you about the discipline, what should have that. Please set a goal. That goal should be little bit higher than what we have the capacity. There should be 5 C's, 5 qualities. That means 5 C's for having a successful life as a leader. The first one is commitment. Commitment means setting a goal is a commitment. Oka goal set cheyadaniki first C commitment anamata.
Colonel Dole, he is none other than Vishnu. Can we have him to the stage? Can we give a big round of applause? I request our chief guest now, principal sir and all the dignitaries. Congratulations, Michelle. Congratulations, Sabha.
Club leader. Yes. Can you all salute to the stage? Young Entrepreneur Club leader. So can we have Joy Caroline? Can you all to the stage? From our house. Next we have Samskriti Club leader. We have Dinesh from Pruthvi House. Can you all to the stage? Parent of Industry. Can you all to the stage, sir? Industry is from Pruthvi House. Now next we have Deputy Club leader. She is none other than Soumya. Soumya from Nagar. Parents of Soumya. Now next we have STEM Club leader Sahana from Pruthvi House. Can we have her on stage? Parents of Sahana. Now next we have Community Service Club leader Hemashri. Hemashri is from Happy House. Sai Sharanya from Pruthvi House. House captains. House captains. Yes. The newly elected team, the cabinet member of